Shemai, I'm going to talk about swing and straight tempos today, or swing and straight strums. This is something I'm quite passionate about, and something that drives me nuts, to be perfectly honest, is there's a difference, and we're going to call it swing tempo and straight tempo, okay? And it is basically the feel of the beat. And it's something that I see a lot, especially in groups, ukulele groups. You'll have some players playing a swing strum and some players playing a straight strum. And honestly, it doesn't sound good. So what I'm going to try to do today very quickly is explain the difference. I have recently put up some straight strumming practices, and I'm going to, after this, put up some swing strumming practice videos as well, okay? So this is why I'm doing this. I want to explain the difference between a straight tempo and a swing tempo. So a straight tempo, imagine you were walking even beats. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. A swing tempo, it's like you're skipping. Down, down, up, down, down. So a straight tempo. And then a swing tempo. It's like you're skipping. And as I said, it totally changes the feel of the song. Now, strum patterns, a lot of people get hung up about this. A lot of people say, don't worry about strum patterns. As a teacher of beginners, I also know how helpful strum patterns can be as well. So there you go. You can see it written up on the screen a minute. Down, down, up, down, down, up in a straight tempo. Okay. In other words, you have a crotchet or a quarter beat, and then you've got two quavers or two eighth beats. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Let me just play it. So it's down, down, up. If I was going to write it all out as quavers, it would be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now then, a swing tempo would be written out slightly differently. In other words, we're not splitting each beat into two, we're splitting it into three. But we don't play all three of the notes. We call those a triplet. All right, and we're actually missing the middle one. So it would sound like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so you're skipping along, not walking. I'll play them together. So straight, swing, straight, swing. Now then, I'm not expecting most people to be able to read music. I'm only putting the actual notation up for those of you who do. If you don't read music, it is about the feel of it, okay? Think walking, think skipping. And I should mention as well, if it's written out, the rhythm, it will never change, okay? You're looking for a word at the top normally on written music, which would just say swing. And if it doesn't say swing, you assume it's a straight tempo. How can you tell? Let's say you're listening to a song and you haven't got a clue whether it's a straight tempo or a swing tempo. If you can, listen out for the drum beat, especially the cymbals, because you're either going to hear for a straight tempo, or you're going to hear for a swing tempo, okay? So that's one way of working it out. Listen as well, maybe for some of the vocals. A really good example, and this is one of the biggest ukulele songs, is I'm Yours. And I've heard this quite a few times this year with half the players playing a swing strum, which is what it should be, and half the players playing a straight strum, and it shouldn't be, and it sounds really strange. So I'm Yours played properly would be something like, well, you done me and you bet I felt it. Tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. And it fits with the words. But if you try and play I'm Yours with a straight strum or a straight tempo, it sounds like this. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. Tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. It's really, really hard to do it the wrong way round. Let me make it a little bit easier for you to follow. 2 perfect examples of easy ukulele songs. Rockin' All Over the World has a straight tempo. Well, here we are and here we are and here we go. All aboard as we're hitting the road, here we go. Whoa, rocking all over the world. Okay, Lion Sleeps Tonight has a swing tempo. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Okay, I will try and do that with a straight tempo. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Okay, it just sounds wrong. And the one that really annoys me, because so many groups get this one wrong, is Waterloo by ABBA. The strum is just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If you play it as a straight strum, it sounds like this. My, at Waterloo, Napoleon did surrender. Oh yeah, and I have met my destiny in quite a similar way. Okay, as I said, it's really difficult to do it the wrong way around. This is what it should sound like though. My, at Waterloo, Napoleon did surrender. Oh yeah, and I have met my destiny in quite a similar way. Okay, can we start to hear the difference? So a straight strum has an even beat. Okay, when you split them up, they're all the same length and it feels like you're walking. And a swing strum feels more like you're sort of skipping along, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, da 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 da, compared to da 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 da. So the whole point of today's video was to help you understand the difference between a straight strum or a straight tempo and a swing strum or a swing tempo. I've already done some straight strumming practices on video. I am going to be putting up straight after this video some swing strumming exercises as well. One last time, straight strum. Swing strum. Hopefully you know the difference now. you can go and practice. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, maybe found it useful. If you'd like to support me here on Ukuleleans or my other channel, Ukulele Wales, I have got a Patreon site and I'll pop a link in the description below for that. If you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.